Welcome to the new Minnesota Department of Revenue. We asked for feedback on our website and we heard you loud and clear. The new and improved website is cleaner, simpler, and easier to navigate. Whether you're an individual, business, tax professional, or government, you can find what you need on our homepage. Top tasks show our most popular pages, like Where's My Refund, Make a Payment, and Log into eServices. Menu icons can expand to help you get to your next destination more efficiently. There's also a way to search across our website. Just type your keywords into the search box and click the search icon, or hit enter. You can even refine your search by tax type or tax year to find exactly what you need. Access our website from anywhere. The new design is responsive, which means you can view it from your favorite devices. You can check out our new website launching June 4th at revenue.state.mn.us.